Hello everyone. It's been a while since I did a video, so I felt let me take this journal down so that I can journal my trades as usual. Okay, this is looking like a QM level. Let me check it quickly if the QM level is valid. We have this. So this is the QM area, but let me confirm it quickly at M3. If we have an engulf, okay, cool. We have an engulf here. So let me go to lower time frame to check if we have a very good entry. Okay, good. There's a very nice entry here. So this is where we're going to be taking our trades. We'll just let me mark it over here. Then we'll make this a happy color. Nice. So I have my bigger screen in front of me. Let me switch back to M1. So I have my bigger screen in front of me. I'll set a reminder here, there's this notification feature that Pocket Option has now. So you can set notifications somewhere here. So, but it only works on desktop for now. It doesn't work on mobile. But if I set it on desktop, you should be able to see it here. So there's also a supply area here. Let me mark the supply area quickly. So we have a supply area down here. The sellers may reject, but let me check the active section of the supply area. If I'm able to track it or to zone in on that, I can take okay. It's okay. I think we are spot on already. But what I will do is I'll wait for the price to break through this supply area. Then we will take a rejection trade. We'll take a retracement trade here. But if it doesn't, we'll just wait. So if the price comes down to this QM level, when price enters this box, this purple box, we'll take our trades here. So let's see if this one will break because I'm anticipating the break here so that I can take a retracement trade. But if they don't, no problem. So I'll leave that one on my big screen and check other pairs. Let's see. We may have. I missed this QM level trade. This ABC to the upside, then boom. Then the price came back up to this QM level and retraced and went back. So I missed this one the other time. So it's really good to journal your trades. Actually, the last trading session, I didn't make a part 2. Yeah, about that. But this time around, if there's going to be a part 2 to this, I will definitely make it. So let me check other pairs. Though there seems to be an opportunity here, but I don't want to go against the trade. I'm expecting a green candle here, but I don't want to go against this trend because we have a downward trend here. So this is meant to be a green candle, but I won't take the trade because it's against the trend. I don't want to go against the trend this time around. So I'll just leave it. It's part of what I used to say, that if you are looking for the best trades, you will miss some very good trades too. But it's okay to miss good trades because what you are looking for is the best trades. You can see we don't have a big balance here, so we can't really afford to take any losses. It's not as if we can't take losses, but it's best, we just limit our trades to high quality trades alone and not take any losses. So this was a good trade, because this pattern is evening star and it closed on this level, so definitely there's going to be a retracement, and we have a round number here also. So it's a fantastic trade, but I intentionally didn't take it. Okay, our QM level trade might be inbound. So JPY, EUR JPY. So let's see. So we'll just wait for this zone to come down. Though there's a demand zone here, so we may have a green candle after this, but let's see. We may have a green candle after this because this breaking is a demand zone, but this is a trade I want to take, so I'll wait for it. You can see the market is coming down. This is a minor trend, so anytime you have a trend, it's best advised not to go against it, even though your trade might be, the trade might be a good one, but it's best not to go against it because the trend can sometimes overpower whatever setup you have, and you just take a loss. So that's why I don't go against the trend. That really took me a long time to actually figure out. Going against the trend is not wise. So there are sometimes you will go against the trend, like when you have multiple reasons, like this QM level now. You understand? We are going to be combining it with a lot of reasons. So let's just see how that goes. I'll keep checking other pairs. Okay, we have the green candle. So that was a very good trade too. This is a very good trade. But we'll wait for. Okay, we are making a red-green pattern here. Okay, if I was in this market, I probably would have taken this because this is an engulf. This is an engulf that needs retracement. So, and the trend also is coming down. So we can combine those reasons to take this trade. So let's see. So let's check other pairs. We might have a green candle here. I want to still take the trade. Okay, we have a gap down. That's a confirmation, but it's against the trend, so I'm not going to go against the trend. So let me check other pairs to see. I'm actually looking through the market to see a rejection market. Those kind of market with long wicks. Yeah, if we can find any of those, we can take a very good trade. So let me see. Okay, the QM level trade is going back. Like the market just rejected from that. Let me show you. The market just rejected from this demand zone, so it didn't touch this. But I can take this trade if this price comes up. If it closes above this area, I can take this. Yeah, let's go. Oh my God, see this. Oh my God, that gap down was not anticipated. I wasn't anticipating that gap down. That was a crazy gap down, right? And this candle is a Marabozu candle. So most of the time when you have this kind of Marabozu candle, they end up in retracement. But this gap down now is making me very nervous. I wasn't anticipating it at all, because the gap down is usually in favor of the buyers. But I hope we win this. That gap down was crazy. Okay, we might be winning this. That's good. Alright, good. Wow, that gap down was crazy, man. So let's check back with. Okay, we got the green. We got this green. There seem to be a rejection here, but I'm skeptical to take a trade here against the trend. Okay, let me see. Let's see if we can take a trade down here. Let's chart the course of the market. Okay, we can use this rejection areas, especially if we are going to be having a red candle. So now that we've marked this rejection area, let's see. Okay, I think this rejection market is over. The buyers are beginning to push to the upside. I won't take this trade anymore. So I'm trading with 33% of my balance. So though there's a supply area here, this might be a fake out. But I won't take the trade. They might push to this point, so I'll be waiting for that. Okay, we got a red candle. So the red green pattern is still in effect, but this push to the upside from the buyers is very suspicious. Going against it is, now if there was a doji, if we had a doji in the middle of this red green pattern, I probably would have more confidence in this arrangement. But because we don't have a doji candle here, or let me check. Let's check a higher time frame. Okay, we have a doji here. Okay, we have a doji candle here. There's a spinning candle here also. Okay, I think we can trust it, but the rejection market is kind of over at this moment. Though we have a downward trend, but there might be a little fake out here where they will try and break through this supply area, this ABC to the downside. So if they break through this area, we might have a red candle. So after that, so I'll be waiting for a break of this level, and we'll take the retracement trade. So okay, we have a gap up here. That's a good confirmation that the price will have a red candle. Well, let's still see. Okay, maybe we can take some trades with marginal safety. If it comes to this round number, I can take the trade. Let's see. Okay, it's not getting to the round number. I just want to be more careful with my trades. Okay. If it gets to the round number, I'll take it. If it doesn't, then I won't take it. And the time is up already, so. Okay, good. Now we have a gap up. Okay, this is what I was talking about. The gap up now is in favor of the sellers. But if they can break this, there's a fresh supply area here. So if they can break through the supply area, I can take a rejection trade on this round number. So we've been having this red-green pattern all the way from here. Now the same market sequence that is playing here is being replicated here also. So let's see if the same thing will happen. We might have a green candle after this. So if the price closes down here, I'll go with the buyers. If it doesn't close down here, then I will just take cash and wait. Okay. So that did not happen. It's like I always say, it's good to be proactive and have your mind prepared for whatever happens. So you can make up your mind and say, okay, if this happens, I'll do this. If this does not happen, then I'm not doing it. It's as simple as that. So you should make up your mind what you want to do ahead, so that you don't find yourself in situations where you become very tense. Okay, so let's check for more opportunities. Let me check that QM level trade if we have. Okay, I'm checking my big screen to see if there's going to be a QM level trade. So I guess this was a fake out. So they tried to push to the upside, but the sellers, they just reject the price. That's what I was talking about. The trend most of the time always wins, because we came into this ranging market with a downtrend. So it's very possible that the market will bounce up and down, range a little bit, then break to the downside. Okay. Let me check for other opportunities. Oh, we have a QM level here. Let's see if the QM level is a confirm one. We can confirm it. Fine. So if we don't have that M3 confirmation, we won't take it. Okay. No M3 confirmation. Obviously, there won't be an M5 confirmation. No problem. No problem. We'll not take it. So. This is a downward trend. I'm looking for a very nice rejection market. I'm yet to find one. I just don't want to take random trades. I want to take very good, high quality trades. Okay. There's a supply area here. So if this price breaks this supply area and closes above here, we can go with the sellers. You can see the sellers are rejecting, so they are sellers on this level. Okay, just rejected the price to the downside. So let's check that. Okay, this was the trade we took the other time. So let's keep checking. Oh, there's a QM level here. We have to be very fast with this. Let's check. We have to be very fast with this QM level. Let me see if we can get. Okay, there's no M3 confirmation, no M5 confirmation, so we'll not take it. We are not going to take it, but let's see if we can take this trade. So the reason why I took this trade is because we have this. Usually, when you have short and long candles moving like that, is a sign of reversal, and this area is a kind of QM level, but the QM level is not confirmed. So I'm combining the unconfirmed QM level with this short and long candle structure. So most of the time when we have this short and very long candles like structure, they tend to have these retracements. So that's why I took this trade. So we have 10 seconds more. Let's see. So 10 seconds more. Okay, we have 2 seconds more. Okay, that was a winning trade. That's good. Okay, there's a previous QM level here also. Let's check out this QM level to see if this one is confirmed. Good, there's a confirmation here. So a previous QM level, the price came here, rejected, and came back again. We have another rejection. That's amazing. Let me check if we have a low time frame confirmation. Let's see. Okay, yes, you see there's a demand zone here at this lower time frame. You can see it's just below here, so we may still have another shot of taking. Okay, it's been used. Market has reached that area already. It's been used. Market has bounced off the area, but that was a very good one. You can see. So you have this ABC to downside boom. It's QM level. The price came first time, rejected, came once again and rejected again. That's amazing. Let me mark this with a happy color so that good. You see, so this is how we take trades. This is a very fantastic trade. I would have entered here, but I needed to be sure. That's why when you seek a QM level and it's close, you need to be very fast with it. But it's all well and good though. This is a very fantastic trade. I wish I had taken it. So we'll move on. We'll find other opportunities in the market. There are always very good opportunities in the market. So there's a demand zone here also. You can see the price has rejected from the demand zone once. I'm still waiting for one of our setups, but the payout percentage has reduced, so I won't take it. I'm looking at the big screen now. That's AEDNCNY. It's now 76%. So though the setup is about happening, if this candle breaks but I'm not going to risk my money for 76%. We should have a red candle here. Let me go with $1. So I'll wait for it to touch that round number. Let's go. So just for the fun of it. So it's just for the fun of it, but I wouldn't risk a big amount for this kind of, because like I always say, trading is a risk. So if you are going to take a risk, you probably are better at taking huge risk, like very good trades with your risk amount. So okay, if I take this trade after, I'm expecting a green candle here, but I really don't want to go against this trend. Okay, we lost that trade, you can see. So sometimes it's good to just follow your intuition. I'm expecting a green candle here, but I don't want to take it because it's against the trend. So let's just move on. Look for better opportunities. Wow, that QM level was very strong. It pushed the price all the way to this area. Not bad. Okay, now we have a good rejection market. Let's see how far we can go with this. I can't see any opportunity here, so Okay, there's an opportunity here. This is a supply area. Price has rejected off of it twice. So okay. So I saw it set up on my screen now. So I'm taking the trade. Let me quickly go there. We have just 4 seconds left. Okay, we won it. We won the trade. So we have this evening star pattern. This was the trade we took with $1. This one, you can see they've increased it back to 88. So they made this pattern. But this is in a supply area. So they made this pattern. The sellers pushed the price down. I was expecting a green candle here, but I took the trade down here, somewhere around here. So, and the price came up, made a doji candle. Now, because this doji is in a supply area, it's most likely going to be a swing doji. It may not be the regular doji but if this price breaks this doji and closes above here, I'll go with the sellers. But if it doesn't, then I'm not going to take the trade. Usually dojis tend to make this ranging market, and also the market has been ranging anyways. We've been having this red green pattern, so this might validate this doji range now. So let me see if that doji range can be validated. So depending on how these two candles react, usually when I see these dojis like this, I anticipate the next 6 to 8 candles to be a red green pattern. So because they are at the edge of this doji now, you can see there are rejections. So the next one, I'm expecting a green candle. You understand? So if the price comes to this edge, to this down area, I'll take a rejection trade here. I'm expecting to win. If the price comes up here again, I'll take a rejection trade. Though I'm expecting a green candle after this red. But if it comes down, especially if it comes to this round number, let's see if it can push for this round number, then I can take a rejection trade right there. Oh, they've reduced it to 69 again. Now, I think I should just not stay with this market. Let's go to AUDCAD. There's another. We have a doji set up there too, so let's do that one. There's a doji set up here, and this is a better rejection market. We'll take this. Please go up. Thank you. Though this is where I should. Let me mark this rejection area. And the market is downtrend, so I don't want to go against this trend. It's as if the market's already pushing to the downside. Remember I said when you have a doji break like this and it's making this ranging market, usually what I do is I just anticipate the next 6 candles. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can say this is the 5th one now. It's already breaking out of the doji range. This is the range of the doji. You can see, this is where the doji range is. So the price is already breaking down out of the doji range. Now we may have a green candle here after this, but I still won't take it because if I take the trade, it's against the trend. So I'm very careful not to take this kind of trades. Okay, and we have a gap up, so that's a negative confirmation. We will not take the trade. Though I'm expecting a green candle, it may still happen, but I won't take it. So I won't take the trade. that previous market is still at 69%. I'm checking my big screen now, so I'm not going to risk my balance for 69% payout. It's not worth it. Okay, this one played along nicely. Anytime a price action leaves a doji range, there's usually a retracement, but this gap down is the reason why this retracement is not happening. If that opened normally and it gave me this kind of a margin of safety, I would have taken the trade. But I think the sellers have decided to just push down. Then that trade will probably be against the trend, which I don't want to go against. So I'm not going to go against the trend. I just need one more trade now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we took 5 trades. This is that $1 trade I did not want to take. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just say 5. So we lost one trade. So let's still look for a very good opportunity. This kind of thing needs patience. Okay, we can take this trade now. This 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th candle usually is going to be a divergent. So I'm waiting. I want it to touch this round number. Please go up. Oh, I want it to close above it. No. Can we have a gap up at least? Let's have a gap up. No. That's a negative confirmation. I was wishing this candle would close on this round number. I would go crazy on this on the next candle with the sellers. But that would have been amazing. Because this is initially this is a supply area here. This area is a supply area, and this is another supply area. So we're breaking 2 supply areas. Oh, definitely we're going to have a retracement. And usually there's this thing that I've noticed from, especially my mentor has spoken about it many times, that when you have a momentum going like this, usually the 5th candle used to be a divergent, but this gap down, I don't know if you can see, there's a gap down here. That gap down is usually not it's not very good at all. But I'll still wait for the break. If they break this area, well, we probably will still have a red candle, and that will coincide with this trend, though we've started a new trend. But okay, this one might look like it's looking like a QM level, but let's see if we have an M3 confirmation. No confirmation here. Let's check M5. Okay, good. We have an M5 confirmation, though it's almost completed. Let's wait for this 16 seconds, or let's just look for entry. Let's look for an entry. The entry should be down here. This is it. Yeah, guys, in case you have any questions, just put it in the comment section so that I can address I'll probably make a video about it if it's depending on how it is. So this is going to be our entry if price comes down here. So let's see. So do we have a gap down? No. So I'm waiting for them to touch this. I know the price is going to go back. It's going to retrace. Let me just refresh this. Okay, good. Okay, I think we missed something there. We missed this trade. Let me go back. Oh, where is it? This is BHD. Okay, so we missed this trade. I was gonna take this trade after it touches well, no problem. We're gonna take this QM level trade. So if the price comes down here, we'll take it. So let's just wait for it. So this pattern needs retracement also, but if I'm going to take this trade, I'll wait for the price to come down here before going with the buyers. If the price comes down here, I'll go with the buyers. Let's go. All right. So usually this is a pattern that needs retracement. So and there's a kind of rejection area here. So I'm expecting the rejection to. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's reject. That was very risky, what I did there. Though I was expecting this retracement, it didn't happen. But I had to take this QM level trade. So let me see. So we lost this trade and we won this too. Okay, no problem.